Project 365 at day, well, who knows? It's actually been a year and a half. Can you believe it? A year and a half since I first came into this bushland and said I'm going to do a video a day for 365 days. And as you know, if you follow me, I did. But it's been a year and a half. And what have I done since? Well, tattoo, if you can see it. Tattoo, if you can see it. A career change. So lots have happened in that time frame. And what's going to happen now? Well, just thought I'd throw a video out because I haven't done one for that period of time. So what's going to be on? What's my next challenge? Well, other than continuing on with what I do every day as a gardening business, next challenge is next year we're going to do a Project 366, a video a day for a leap year. I think my camera dropped out. Okay, sorry. I've been that bad on my technology and cameras that I didn't realize it hadn't stopped. Anyway, that's my next challenge. Is next year from January 1 we're going to do a video a day for 366 days, and it's just going to track my normal what I do on a daily basis. But I just thought I'd check in. It's been a while. Thought I'd say hello. Out walking with Giz. And it's meant to be winter, but it actually feels quite spring-like today. So let's kick it on, let's get it done. Beautiful. All right, that is it. Beautiful summer's day. Oh, that's right, it's winter. Winter's day walk. Anyway, peace out. Love you. And I'll see you soon, whenever that next video is.